In this video, we're going to show you the fastest way to get a $40,000 credit card with no docs at this credit union.
Okay, money magnets, we're talking about Signal Financial Credit Union. Now, let's dive into their products so we can show you how to get to the bag. So the first card is the Signature Visa card. Now with this card, there's no annual fee to hold it in your wallet. And you know how I feel about annual fees, money magnet. Also, this card has 0% interest on everyday purchases as well as balance transfers for the first 12 months. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay. This card also gives you bonuses, okay? So if you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days of having the card, they're gonna give you $100 back. That right there is a cash flow changer, money magnets. So Marvin, let's dive into what other benefits that this particular credit union has to offer.
All right, guys, make sure you like and share this video. Also, comment if you have any experience with Signal. And guys, we're going to jump into the Platinum card. With this Platinum card, you have 0% for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Now, when you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days, you're going to get 10,000 bonus points. You have no annual fee, and also you have a 1% foreign transaction fee. So guys, if you want to save some money, let's just say you already had a 0% for 12-month card, and now you get this card. Now you got 2 years where you had 0% for 2 years. This is how you save money, guys. And the reason why we tell you about these high limit credit cards is so you can start a business on the side. And speaking of having a business, if you're looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description below and book a free Zoom call with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, so the next card is the Direct Visa card. Now with this particular card, this is your low interest rate card. Now, you can get 0% interest on this particular card for the first 12 months. That's on everyday purchases as well as balance transfers, money magnet. Now, one thing about this particular card is that it does have a $25 annual fee. But if you spend $1,000 in the first year of having the card, they will waive your annual fee. This card also has 1% foreign transaction fees of whatever you purchase. So this may not be the card for you if you're doing a lot of traveling. But Marvin, let's move on to see what else they have to offer.
Okay, the next card they have is a Secured Visa card. Now, this is if you're looking to build your credit or if you're looking to establish a relationship, but you're not ready to get that unsecured card, you can put $500 to $1,000 on this card, and they do have a $25 annual fee. This is great if you want to build a relationship. But Gloria, let's jump into the personal loans.
We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video.
Okay, Marvin. So with the personal loans, they go up to 66 months. Now, that's a little bit of time for you to pay that loan back. I like how long they give you for paying back your loan. But let's see what else that they have, Marvin.
And Gloria, with the personal loan, I just wanted to throw in here, the interest rates are pretty good. You can get as low as 8% on this personal loan within that 66 months. But they also have a personal line of credit. Now, keep in mind, guys, both of these go up to $40,000. Now, when you're looking for money or a line of credit, I would be prepared to have my pay stubs and possibly 2 years taxes, because a lot of banks are getting really tight when you want cash or a line of credit. With the line of credit, guys, keep in mind, you only have to apply once. You can use it, pay it off, use it again. With the personal loan, now, if you pay that off, you're going to have to apply all over again. And that could be a hassle. So really think about what you need for your project. It could be a home project that you're working on, could be unexpected expenses, or maybe you want to consolidate all your credit cards into one payment. I like the interest rates here. But Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans.
Okay, Money Magnus. So with the auto loans, you know how I'm ready for my new car money, Marvin.
Right.
So let me tell you, with this particular loan, it goes up to 84 months.
Right.
And you don't have to make a payment for the first 90 days. Marvin, that right there is a cash flow changer. So you need to think about that when we're looking at these credit unions.
And the good thing about it, the rates are as low as 5.49%, which is really cheap. We've done tons of videos. We just did one on Connector, and this one is actually lower than Connector. So this could be a good place to buy a vehicle or a motorcycle for all you guys that like those Kawasaki, Suzuki's, or maybe even a Harley. But Gloria, let's jump into the home loans.
Now, on the home loans, I love that they have a first-time home buyers program because there's a lot of money magnets out there that may have not purchased a home before.
Right.
So you most definitely want to look at that type of program. Also, they offer conventional loans, which go up to 30 years, as well as jumbo loan options on the conventional side.
And if you're thinking about refinancing your house in the next 5 years, they have a 5-in-1 adjustable rate. Or you may be thinking about, well, I may not refinance for 7 years. They have a 7-in-1 adjustable rate. Now, guys, when you're thinking about joining this credit union, they're based out of Maryland and DC. So if you live or work in the Maryland and DC area, you should be able to join with no problem. Now, I saw another option for $5 where you can join the Signal Foundation. Usually when that happens, anyone can join and you're able to apply for the credit cards. But if you've already been a member of Signal, drop some comments below about your experience, because we would love to spread those data points to our audience. And then when we called, they told us they pulled Equifax and Experian. So with either one of those bureaus, I will make sure my score is over 700. I make sure I have less than 3 inquiries, and I make sure I check my check systems and make sure it's less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months.
And money magnets, keep in mind that now credit unions and banks are not just checking check systems, they're checking something that's called early warning.
Good point.
So you want to pull your early warning report just as well as your check systems report, just to make sure that there's nothing on there that shouldn't be on there, because banks and credit unions are actually denying customers because of their early warning or their check system.
And we've also seen some holdups or denials because you have a freeze or fraud alert.
Most
and
definitely.
Then check your personal information. If you got a bunch of old addresses, call up the bureaus and get those deleted. And make sure, guys, more than anything, that you have your employment correct. Bankers look at it like this. They want your credit report to match the application. So take a few minutes, call Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, make sure all your information is correct, and get those freezes or fraud alerts off.
Okay, hold up. I have a gem.
What you got, babe?
Okay, money magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that has $50,000 credit limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.